Stop.
Do you know me?
Yes.
How would I know if
So
you
why you are blaming me?
and
Stop,
Why you are
stop.
blaming me that I am not skilled?
First of all,
Why you are blaming
she
me
will
that I am
come.
not
If you are
skilled?
not working in a private firm, if you are not working right now, if you are standing here and making so much now noise.
Yes, 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 yes. Let her complete. Let her complete. Let her complete.
If you are,
yes, ma'am.
if my
You take.
team is doing a government job, then
Yes.
I have to do that.
What? Let me come. Let me.
So this skit is only for boosting the confidence as well as developing the communication skill. Whatever you're going to see, this is just practice and practice. Please do not mind any sentences or any words.
People are there. They are protesting. Why they are protesting? Let us know.
Go back.
Sir, stop. What is your name?
Mr. CP.
Are you employed or not?
I'm not employed because of our government. I think so. I'm not getting a job because of means number of vacancies day by day decreasing in this government. Earlier the number of vacancy was more, and right now the number of vacancy is day by day decreasing. And if the vacancy is coming on later onward, it take a long period of a time to show the result, and a long procedure is going on.
Why you are thinking about the only government is the reason behind the unemployed?
Because of the government used to decide the number of vacancy. We are eligible for that. We are facing a lot of problem. We are not getting a job also in a private sector. We are if we are going for the interview, just we get a job and not a payable salary we are going to get. Just
Yes, ma'am.
Let me
What you are
counter
thinking?
it. I have to say about unemployment. As he said, government is the only reason for unemployment. In my opinion, government is not the only reason for unemployment. We are the reason for our unemployment.
Why
We
you are
the
thinking
reason-
about you are the reason of the unemployment?
We are the reasons because we are, please, a little bit. We are the reason. I'm saying that because we are not skilled enough. There are so much vacancies in private sector in which we can.
He
in
told
which we-
government didn't provide any vacancy.
He is talking about just government vacancies, and I am talking about the lot of opportunities which is present in
What
today's
kind of
world.
opportunity?
Opportunities in terms of jobs, in terms of entrepreneur, in terms of any.
Yes,
How dare
stop.
to talk that
Yes, ma'am.
we are the responsible for the unemployment?
If you are not skilled, no one is coming.
Do you
and
know
going
me?
to-
Stop. Let her
How much
complete.
I am skilled
Stop.
or not?
Stop.
Do you know me?
Yes.
How would I know if
So
you
why you are blaming me?
and
Stop,
Why you are
stop.
blaming me that I am not skilled?
First of all,
Why you are blaming
she
me
will
that I am
come.
not
If you are
skilled?
not working in a private firm, if you are not working right now, if you are standing here and making so much now noise.
Yes. Let her complete. Let her complete. Let her complete.
If you are,
Yes, ma'am.
if my
You take.
team is doing a government job, then
Yes.
I have to do that.
What? Let me explain this.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
People are mad for government job just because of their certain reasons. They in government job there is job security, there is less workload, there is
Let her complete. Ma'am, I will come. I will come.
Behave like that if you are going
Yes,
to
yes.
behave like
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
I'm not going to
Ma'am,
come for you.
Stop. Let her. What do you think about the unemployment rate in India?
I think government provide lots of vacancies for the pupils, and government also working on it.
Give the examples.
Like if I'm talk about government recently built the Ayodhya airport, there is so much vacancies available in a future, and government always try to give some vacancies to the pupils.
What do you think about privatization? He is not answer about these privatizations.
Okay, let me
Yes,
answer
sir.
that question. Government is promoting privatization so that more of the people got job, got future security. That's why they please. They promoting privatization. The government is promoting privatization
Yes,
so
ma'am.
that everyone can able to get a proper job and get a handsome salary. That's why they are promoting in government sector. Living
Yes, ma'am. Let her come.
The government, the damn excuse to because government is
Yes,
able
ma'am.
to pay the government job. So why
That's
about privatization? administration.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why there is a need of privatization.
What
Need?
She is speaking. She is speaking. She is
Ma'am,
speaking.
hello sir, hello ma'am, what are you talking? Just you are making voice, please tell me what is the reason point?
Yes.
What?
What
you-
is the valid point? I heard some time ago you telling people are required government job because they are less work. How can you say?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
there is.
Sir, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
the government employees is running this nation. How can you say there is a less
Let
work?
her
They are
answer.
not
Let us
running-
answer.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
let me
Then
complete.
who are
They are not
running
running the nation. The leaders of our society are running the nation. The people present in India are running the nation. Only you cannot.
Yes,
say
yes, yes, yes.
People are working. in
yes,
the-
yes,
Let
sir.
me complete.
Let her complete. Let her
Sir,
complete.
you are not
Let her
supporting
complete.
it.
No, no, you are
I
I
am
am
not supporting it.
Let her complete.
No, wait, let her
Yes,
complete.
yes,
Every
ma'am.
time
Yes,
you
ma'am.
give an answer to him, so let her complete. What we are here?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Then
sir.
why you come here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Don't give this Sambit Patra female version to talk every time. We are here to talk.
Yes, sir.
What?
Let her. What is your opinion?
My opinion,
Yes.
the reason behind lacking job is just the government. Because government has opportunity to give job. Ma'am say, where is the skill? Ma'am, everyone has skill. Please look at Mr. CP. He's
Yes, sir.
very skilled person.
Okay.
But where is the job?
Okay.
Yes. What do you
Okay.
think?
There is a lot of job opportunity.
Ah, please tell me, please tell me.
Yes, yes. He tell.
Please tell me.
Please tell. Please tell.
I think this is the example, live example. As you can see him, the way in which he behaved right now is totally unacceptable.
Okay.
If you are educated enough, you are not supposed to behave like that. You continuously attending.
One second, let her come.
Sir, 1 second.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Stop.
Just a second. Just I behave like this.
Yes.
1 minute. Ma'am got hyper. Ma'am 24/7 behave like this. What should we do? Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
what is this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Do you know me?
Do you know me?
Do you know me
Do
before
you know
that?
me?
Then how
Do
can you
you-
say
Yeah.
I am behaving
I know you.
24/7 like that?
I know you.
You are not
I know you. I know you.
Yes, stop. She is speaking. What do you think?
What, ma'am, talking about totally nonsense because there are no vacancy. And if she talk about there is lots of
Ma'am,
vacancy.
there is a
Leave,
vacancy.
leave.
Government making every month new vacancies.
And
Where is?
I.
Because of certain
I have question.
reason, they are
I have question. Stop.
What the reason? We didn't get the.
I have stop. See, he is telling. What is it?
Please, brother, tell me where is the number of vacancy. Can you show me where is the
Yes,
number of vacancy?
yes. Number of vacancy.
The government conducting lots of exams and vacancies. They are providing a lots of vacancies, bro.
What kind of vacancies government provides? Yes, ma'am.
Where is
Yes.
the vacancy? Could you please show me?
There is so much vacancies, ma'am.
Could you please elaborate? Where is the vacancies?
Yes, sir.
There's vacancies on Google and you should search on it. The
The person who is.
You are not answer. You are faltu person.
Okay,
Yes,
let
ma'am.
me start with this quote. If the opportunities does not knock, then build the door. That is my point.
Okay.
Yes, sir. One
We
minute.
are knocking
Yes, sir.
the door
Yes,
of
sir.
the government.
Let him complete.
We are knocking the door of government. Yes, we are knocking. We are searching for the job.
This is not the only way.
He
by
tell
getting
simply
employed,
1 minute.
man.
1 minute, ma'am.
Just
1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute,
about those people
ma'am. He
who is doing-
told about the
Please,
Yes,
brother,
sir.
let me share my opinion. What is the safety of the woman? This government is lacking?
Man,
What do you think about empowerment of the
man,
woman?
our today's topic is unemployment, and I think
In
he
these days,
deviated from the
one
topic.
question for
okay,
you.
as he said,
Yes.
only government is the responsible for unemployment. What about population? Is overpopulation not responsible?
Who is the responsible? Who is the responsible for the population?
Okay, one person at a time, please.
Why are government not working this crucial topic of controlling the population,
Yes,
inflation?
yes, ma'am.
What about the
Yes, ma'am.
inflation?
Sir, what do you think about the
Yeah,
population?
it is right. Like she's telling her right. Like because of population, government always try to give so much vacancies to the pupils as well.
Is only reason behind the population?
Application, sir, government is giving so much of. Please tell me. Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Where
Yes, sir.
is the application?
There is lots of government
Please show me,
workers
sir.
are working.
Show me. Where-
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Show me.
I can't show you on
Show
Google.
them. Show them.
Where are you, brother?
Where is-
Where are you?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
it is
Live in
digital-
reality.
It is digital India. Everything is on Google. How can you come before knowing without knowing anything on
Yes,
debate?
sir.
You are saying that there is.
Please bring some knowledgeable person in this discussion.
The problem is that we
Yes, ma'am.
people of of India have always have a nature to follow mob mentality. Government with the time government has taken initiative for the welfare of us in terms of, like, if we talk about 1952. Indira Gandhi has launched a plan, Hum Do Hamare Do. That time the people of India were not able to understand the agenda of that policy. We are continuously producing so many people, so many children. The agenda behind that plan was that if we have less people,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
we have more job opportunities. If we follow from that time, we are able to grab more
Yes, ma'am.
job
Yes, ma'am.
opportunities.
She is telling, she is
He is
telling.
talking about the Indira Gandhi whatever agenda that he is talking about. Hum Do Hamare Do. That is not the agenda of current government. That is the previous government. That is the previous government.
Yes, she is right, she is right. I am.
Okay, let me complete.
Yes, sir.
And now because the failure of that plan, because you people were not cooperating at that time, and because of the failure of that plan, no government has opted to continue that
Yes,
plan.
yes,
That
ma'am. What is the infrastructure of the school in the rural India?
rural area.
Rural India.
They are continuously doing their job. You are continuously doing your job.
You
Get
visit.
some
You
skill,
visit.
Get some visit. Yes, of course, I visit.
Okay. Have you seen the schools and the schools of the village? Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there is any teacher?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. He is telling. He
I
is
would
telling.
like to ask, ma'am.
Yes.
I would
One
like to
second.
ask, ma'am, if what about the midday child? Many of the government used to provide midday meal, but the school children are not able to get the midday meal proper. If they are providing, they are getting the money. They are using the filling their bank account.
Okay.
What about that one?
Yes,
I
sir, yes,
think
sir.
this is not the role of government. Government is doing their role, like they are providing midday meal plan, and we people are not implementing that plan properly. That's why we are lagging. That's what I want to say. Get some skill, develop your skill, polish your strength, and work upon your weaknesses.
How can you say this is not government role? Ma'am,
Government-
it is not just government to implement some bill. Government should implement every bill have passed
Yes,
in
sir,
Rajya
yes, sir.
Sabha, sir.
Okay,
Ma'am,
sir.
What?
Government is not something to order in Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Government should implement everything. How can you say it's our problem? How can you say it's our problem? It's not our problem, it's government problem.
Do not scream. First of all, do not scream like that.
Why we
Just-
not scream?
You are not supposed
Yeah,
to
if
scream
our-
like that.
if
Just
our-
behave
if our
like that.
cha-
You can
Stop,
get
sir.
one
Stop, sir.
minute.
Let her come.
One minute.
Let her come. Leave.
One minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am not going to answer. If you
Because you don't have answer, that's why you are not
Yes.
going to answer.
Yes, sir. Stop, sir. Stop, sir. This was me, Mangesh, signing before you all from the Kapurthala Chauraha. We talk about the unemployment, illiteracy and nepotism in India. You give your opinion in the comment box and text it there. Thank you for watching. This is me, Mangesh, with cameraman Vivek.